How to fix Minecraft error. The driver does not appear to support OpenGL. First, open your browser. Google OpenGL32.dll download. Open the first link. Download the 64 version if you use Windows 64-bit. And download the 32 version if you use Windows 32-bit. Now click on Download. Save the file. Open the file you just downloaded. Now open a folder. Open your C drive. Open your Program Files folder. Open your Java folder. Open your JRE folder. Open your bin folder. Now drag the OpenGL32 file into your bin folder. Press Continue. Close your folder. Now your problem should be fixed.